Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Libras. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and love energy, Libras. This is for your daily energy, Libras. This is for your career situation, and this is for your love energy. And one card from the Oracle Guidance deck. So that is a general guidance, what we can follow every day that will make things go in a much better way, guys. So let us start with the daily reading. So what is the card? It's Nine of Pentacles, guys. So in your situation today, Libras, you have that happiness and contentment today. You feel that emotional satisfaction today, how things are going in your situation. So you may be quite successful in your career and you have that peace and happiness in your personal life situation. That is what I see with this card, Libras. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. Death. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you are changing the way you are working. Maybe in your past, some things that have not worked for your benefit, you are clearly changing your ways, giving up that past way of work and changing the methods and whatever you need to enjoy success in future. So some major transitions are happening in your career, guys. That is what I see with that card. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Two of Cups. So I see here that you have that mutual love and understanding in this connection. Maybe this is a karmic love, karmic destiny. That may be the energy here. That may be the reason that you have this perfect understanding, love, intimacy and balance in this relationship, guys. You love each other and you have that great understanding with each other, guys. That is what I see. And maybe you both are helping each other to have this balanced relationship, guys. Maybe you both are helping each other in your life and even in your career also. That is what I see with this card here, guys. Let us see what is the card for your Oracle Guidance, guys. Observer. This is the card, Libras. With this card, guys, this just means that this card just means that we should view our situation from a different perspective. So when we view our situation from a different perspective, we will see things in much clarity and with more reality, guys. So that is what this oracle is about. It may mean that in our relationship, when we see this situation from our own standpoint, we will not know what that other person feels or what they think. So we have to have that broad-mindedness in us, guys. So we should not be judgmental. We should also be able to relate to that other person's feelings and their thoughts, what they think or what they feel in this connection. When you have that understanding, you will know that things will change for the better. You will have a better clarity and understanding with this person, guys. Same way, when you in your career situation, guys, when you have that different perception in your work situation, it will work out to your benefit because you will have better clarity what you need to do to reach that success. So that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video, Libras. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.